Life is busy. In our modern world, it seems like there's always something demanding our attention. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our days are filled with tasks, responsibilities, and endless to-do lists. We are constantly bombarded with information, notifications, and distractions. We rush from one thing to the next. Whether it's getting to work on time, meeting deadlines, or juggling family commitments, there's always something that needs to be done. This relentless pace can leave us feeling like we're always playing catch-up, never quite able to fully relax or enjoy the moment. Our minds are always racing. We think about what we need to do next, worry about what we haven't done yet, and stress over things that are out of our control. This constant mental activity can be exhausting and can take a toll on our well-being. This constant activity creates stress and tension. Our bodies respond to this stress with physical symptoms like headaches, muscle tension, and fatigue. Over time, chronic stress can lead to more serious health problems, both physical and mental. It can make us feel overwhelmed. When we're constantly on the go, it's easy to feel like we're drowning in our responsibilities. This sense of overwhelm can make it difficult to focus, make decisions, and enjoy life. Deep relaxation meditation offers a way out. By taking just a few minutes each day to practice meditation, we can begin to quiet our minds and find a sense of calm. Meditation helps us to focus on the present moment, letting go of worries about the past and future. It is a simple practice. You don't need any special equipment or training to get started. All you need is a quiet space and a few minutes of your time. By focusing on your breath and letting go of distractions, you can begin to experience the benefits of meditation, yet it can have a profound impact. Regular meditation can help to reduce stress, improve concentration, and promote a sense of well-being. It can also help to improve sleep, boost your immune system, and increase your overall sense of happiness. With meditation, we learn to quiet the mind. We become more aware of our thoughts and feelings, and we learn to respond to them in a more mindful way. This increased awareness can help us to make better decisions, improve our relationships, and live a more fulfilling life. We find moments of peace in a hectic world. Even in the midst of our busy lives, we can find moments of stillness and tranquility. These moments of peace can help to recharge our batteries and give us the strength to face the challenges of the day. This video will guide you to deep relaxation. Through simple techniques and practices, you will learn how to incorporate meditation into your daily routine. You will discover how to create a peaceful space for yourself, even in the midst of chaos. In just 10 minutes, you can experience inner peace. By setting aside a few minutes each day for meditation, you can begin to cultivate a sense of calm and relaxation that will carry over into all areas of your life. You can learn to carry this calmness with you throughout your day. No matter where you are or what you're doing, you can tap into this inner peace and find a sense of balance and harmony. Start your journey to stillness today and discover the transformative power of meditation. The key to deep relaxation is the breath. It is the bridge that connects us to the present moment, allowing us to let go of the past and not worry about the future. By focusing on our breath, we can find a sense of peace and calm that is always available to us, no matter where we are or what we are doing. Your breath is always with you. It is a powerful tool for calming the mind. Whenever you feel stressed or anxious, you can return to your breath to find a moment of tranquility. This simple act of focusing on your breath can help you center yourself and bring your awareness back to the present. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Allow your body to relax and settle into the space around you. Feel the support of the ground beneath you and let go of any tension you may be holding in your body. Begin to notice your breath. Don't try to change it. Simply observe the natural flow of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and then leaves your body. Just observe the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. There is no need to control your breath. Allow it to be as it is and simply be a witness to the process. This practice of mindful breathing can help you develop a deeper connection to your body and your inner self. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. This is natural. Our minds are always active, and it is normal for thoughts to come and go. When this happens, gently acknowledge the thoughts without judgment and let them pass. Simply acknowledge the thoughts and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Each time you return to your breath, you strengthen your ability to stay present and focused. This practice can help you cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience. Your breath is your anchor to the present moment. It is a constant and reliable companion that can help you navigate the ups and downs of life. By returning to your breath, you can find a sense of stability and calm, no matter what challenges you may face. Now bring your attention to your body. Start with your toes. Notice any tension. As you inhale, imagine sending your breath to your toes. As you exhale, let go of any tightness. Move slowly upward through your body. Focus on each part: feet, calves, knees, thighs, hips, back, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, neck, and face. With each inhale, invite relaxation. With each exhale, release any tension. Your body may feel heavy and relaxed. This is a sign that you are releasing deep-seated tension. Imagine you are in a peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or a mountaintop. What do you see around you? What do you hear? What do you smell? Engage all your senses in this visualization. Feel the warmth of the sun or the coolness of a gentle breeze. Hear the sound of waves crashing or birds singing. Smell the salty air or the fragrance of pine needles. This peaceful place is your sanctuary. You can return to it any time you need to relax and recharge. The power of regular practice. It's a concept that applies to many aspects of life, but it's especially true for meditation. Just like learning to play an instrument or mastering a new language, meditation requires dedication and consistency. Like any skill, meditation takes practice. At first, it might feel challenging to quiet your mind or sit still for an extended period. But with regular practice, these challenges become easier to manage. The more you meditate, the easier it will become to find stillness. Over time, you'll notice that your mind becomes more adept at letting go of distractions and focusing on the present moment. You will notice the benefits in your daily life. These benefits might include reduced stress, improved concentration, and a greater sense of inner peace. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can make a difference. You don't need to spend hours meditating to experience its positive effects. Start with 10 minutes and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Consistency is key. By making meditation a regular part of your routine, you create a habit that supports your overall well-being. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders. It's normal. Everyone experiences moments of distraction during meditation. The important thing is to gently bring your focus back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. Simply redirect your attention to your breath or your chosen object of focus. Each time you do this, you are training your mind to become more resilient and focused. Each time you do this, you are strengthening your mind-body connection. Over time, this practice can lead to profound changes in how you experience and interact with the world around you. So, embrace the power of regular practice and watch as your meditation journey unfolds. Meditation is not just about sitting still with your eyes closed. You can practice mindfulness throughout your day. Pay attention to your breath as you wash the dishes or walk to work. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of your food as you eat. By bringing awareness to everyday tasks, you can transform them into opportunities for mindfulness. This will help you stay grounded and present, even in the midst of chaos. As you cultivate inner peace through meditation, you'll notice positive changes in your life. You may find yourself feeling calmer and more patient. You may be better able to cope with stress. You may even experience improved sleep and increased focus. The benefits of meditation extend beyond your personal well-being. As you become more peaceful and centered, you naturally radiate those qualities to those around you. You become a source of calm and positivity in the world. You now have the tools to embark on your own journey to deep relaxation. Find a quiet space, set aside 10 minutes, and allow yourself to unwind. Experience the transformative power of meditation. With each breath, you are letting go of stress and tension. With each moment of stillness, you are cultivating inner peace. Embrace this practice and watch as it transforms your life from the inside out. Deep relaxation meditation is a gift you give yourself. It is a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. It is a practice that can benefit you in countless ways. Start today. Take 10 minutes for yourself. Find your breath. Find your peace. You deserve it.